south, gonna stay close to the islands and take advantage of this tailwind. Oh, are we lucky? Fetch is the tendency of waves to grow in magnitude as they travel. The longer the open distance on the water, the greater the fetch, and hence the wave height. That's why the waters got rougher as we traveled farther south. Not all waves are created equal. Wind waves are short, choppy, and steep, and are generated by the wind in a local area. Swells are characterized by smooth surfaces with the longer wavelengths and are generated by distant weather systems. Swells are found only on the largest lakes, whereas wind waves are found everywhere. When paddling into wind waves, it's common for the bow to crash into an oncoming wave, giving the bow paddler a free shower. The solution is to take the waves on a 45-degree angle. This lengthens the distance between the crests of the waves. It also decreases the slope and makes for a drier ride. Paddling parallel to a wind wave is an unstable position and should be avoided. If you must paddle in wave troughs, keep your hips loose and allow the boat to move with the water as it passes under. When paddling with wind waves from behind, use a strong rudder to keep the boat from broaching. Momentum is your friend. When faced with an oncoming wave, many inexperienced paddlers will freeze. Instead, maintain your rhythm and keep paddling. Your boat is more stable with your paddle in the water and with forward momentum. Concentrate on planting your paddle at the top of every wave and imagine driving your hips forward and over the crests. By far, the best addition to paddling in areas likely to encounter swells and wind waves is a spray deck. Spray decks keep water out of the boat better than any other accessory and significantly add to your comfort and safety in waves. The open design of a canoe means that even moderate waves can break over the bow and cause the boat to take on water. Canoes with greater rocker and flare are more enjoyable and safer to paddle in waves. Because swells come in sets of differently sized waves, some will break over underwater rocks and ledges, while others will not. Nautical charts show underwater features you may wish to avoid that topographical maps do not. Always look well ahead of where you are and make a mental note of where swells are breaking before you get there. So these waves are really rolling in now, and I'm finding that by staying ahead of them, going nearly their speed or even faster, really helps me keep the water out, because it's coming right up to the gunnels on those big troughs. Woo! Riding these babies. And then you gotta creep over a little bit